This is the original midshaft mounting plate which exploded. I'm going to be making a brand new one of these today out of aluminum. I guess I can show you guys what is underneath the blanket. It's just the engine. It's not really that much going on. The blanket is only there to keep the dust out of the engine, really. I probably have about a week to make revisions on this midshaft mounting plate. I really appreciate suggestions that come from a place of genuinely wanting to help. We'll have the next video on this build popping up as well when it is available to watch. Thanks for hanging out with us today, and I will see you guys in the next video.